Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Kato the Kia Stinger's driver. I'm excited I got a package in the mail today from DDPAI, which is the company I use for my dash cam. I had the DDPAI Mini 3. I've used that for over a year with no problems, and I finally have gotten my hands on their newest version. So let's see what we have here today. Let's get this bigger one. All right, this looks like the dash cam, front dash cam itself, ultra high resolution, obviously app, GPS, Wi-Fi. It's the Z40. Looks cool. Okay. This box here is probably for the rear. Yep, this is the rear camera, so that's cool. The original version I had was just a front camera. And probably some wiring in here. Oh, let's see what this is. Okay. Let's see how. Was that 32 gigabytes for storage? That's going to come in handy. And wiring. Okay, let's check out the wiring real quick. Obviously got some fuse taps. Installation manual. That's important. More fuse taps. And more fuse taps, so that's good. Hopefully one of these will fit into the Kia Stinger fuses. Let's check this. More wiring here. All right, and this seems to probably, connect into the camera itself, and down here probably gets connected into the fuse taps and the ground. So cursory look, I like what I'm seeing, and I'm excited to install it. My previous dash cam only went forward, which was useful for all the reasons you'd want a dash cam. However, I also like using my dash cam for my track visits with Kato the Kia Stinger, and as many of you know, front-facing dash cam does not serve a whole lot of good when Kato the Kia Stinger hits the track. I'm gonna need a rear one. And now I got it. Installation to come. Thank you, DDPAI. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay fast.